So as you saw in the last episode, Big Red may have got a little bit damaged. Here's what happened.
Oh, yo.
What's wrong?
The drivetrain is broken. Have a look at this.
Oh no. Yeah, wow. So this here is the mounting bracket that actually holds his transfer case on. One on this side, one on the other side. This is snapped clean off. There's definitely a few sounds, but that's okay. We'll just take any extra K that we can.
Temperature's looking good. I mean, it's not looking bad. Just crested the Gateway Bridge.
Yeah, buddy, come on! So as you saw, we're at Mount Mee and Big Red totally damaged. We're very lucky that we were able to make it home. At the moment, we're at Moses' house and we're in his driveway, and this will be a driveway repair. So today, hopefully, we're gonna get everything apart and then we can work out what parts we need. Now, there's not much room between the ground and the Jimny, and we don't have a jack or jack stands at Moses' house. Can you believe it? So, he's put it up using some max tracks onto some wheels, so we've got a little bit more height. Big Red is actually Moses's daily, so having it parked up, not drivable, is actually pretty annoying. So we need to make sure that this job doesn't take too long, and it'll just depend on what parts we need and how long it takes to get them, or fingers crossed we can get them from a wreckers. You'll notice that we haven't even had time to clean it. It's still got a stack of mud, so I'm sure when we're underneath, we're gonna be getting a few things in our eyes. That's enough talking. Let's crack in and let's get Big Red fixed.
I found a guy who'll do us a new tail shaft for the Jimny. Turns out that the new model Jimnys actually use the same tail shaft part as the old model, so we will need to replace this new tail shaft as the bearings in there are completely gone. Should be ideally an easy in and out for that piece. The big problem area will be inside here, whether or not the gears are absolutely busted in the transfer case. So let's take it apart and have a look.
Just to show, I can confirm that that bracket is still broken. Just crack them and then go back to the ratchet if you crack all four. Happy days. Now that all four bolts on this side are loosened, we'll use the ratchet, undo them.
That'll need to come out of something.
Oh, careful of that oil, you alright?
It's just got up my nose. Hey guys, just a hot tip. You might want to watch out for oil spills when you're actually taking the tail shaft out. Doesn't taste very good.
You smell great now though.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Seized.
There you go.
But this is the part that's actually come undone.
So that's the inside of it, and this little bit here was just completely, you can see how worn that is as well. So,
and in here is where we have the bearing as well, I believe. You can see the little bearings in there. So
what are you going to do with that, mate? Hang it up?
Fortunately, oh yeah, I might hang it up in the garage as a little bit of a trophy. But fortunately, we've been able to find someone on the marketplace who sells these for relatively cheap. So now we just need to wait for some parts.
24 hours later.
It is now another day, and guess what? We have parts. Let me show you what we've got. These are our new brackets that Mo ordered. Where'd you get these from, Mo? So these are from Zook Parts. They're not too expensive. How much you pay?
Paid 180 bucks plus shipping.
Can get regular brackets, but these are heavy duty because this is a known problem on the Jimnys. So Zook Parts for these brackets, and ta-da! This here is a beautiful, brand new, not a bit of dust on it, mate. Hopefully today we can get this in and get the Jimny down on four wheels and driving. All the bolts are now cracked, so we're just going to get the ratchet onto them, undo it, and then we'll take out one bracket at a time and replacing it. That way, we don't have the transfer case in there not supported. We've got the bracket off, well this is half of one, but we also need this little rubber mount, we need to take that off so we can transfer that onto the new bracket. guess.
Yeah.
In the world. A little bit more WD-40, never goes astray. Okay, well, this one here is one done, and the reason why we're having so much trouble is because this here should be a nice, you know, bit of metal that seats into a pocket here, but that was obviously filled with a whole lot of dirt, as you can probably see, and that's worn off a little bit as well. We managed to replace that broken bracket. We've got that new bracket all in now. There's actually 4 bolts that connect that bracket to the transfer case, and it's a little bit harder because this bracket is heavy duty, so it's harder to kind of get the fingers in there, do those bolts up, and then get a ratchet in there as well. And then of course there's those 2 bolts that hold the bracket to the chassis of the car. They're 14 mils and they're quite easy. So now Mo's just taking out the other side. We'll replace that bracket and then we can get onto the tail shaft. The new tail shaft is in, so obviously we've got the Jimny lifted up on the tyres. So Mo's going to let down the front, then we'll let down the back, and then we'll take it for a drive and see if it works. Fingers crossed.
It's a bit of a bomby jack. It just doesn't...
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
It doesn't quite always click and engage.
Oh!
Don't worry, toes are safe. I have my safety boots on.
Holy cow.
Oh, that's looking very dodgy.
Let her down.
This may not be a Toyota, but oh, what a feeling.
As you can see, the Jimny is back in working order, and you know what? A little bit better than ever. Underneath the body of the Jimny has some brand new parts, so it's not bad. Hey, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.